Ross, it tells us here, or it asks us, tell whether the ratios form a proportion. You know what? A proportion is two equal fractions, right? And if I cross multiply them, I get two things that are equal to each other. Yes? So if they're asking me, are these two ratios, are they a proportion? Here's what we want to do. I'm actually going to rewrite it as an equation. I'll put a little question mark there because I don't know if they're equal, right? But if it forms a proportion, when I cross multiply 6 times 51, I should get the same thing as 9 times 34. Okay? Now here's my question, Ross. You got 6 times 51 without the calculator? Without the calculator? 6 times 50? 300, and then 6 times 1? 6. Okay, so this is 306. All right. Will R, what's 9 times 34? You can use your calculator if you'd like. But it's 270 plus 36. I'm sorry, what? You got 306? I think we should have gotten 306. And that shows that these two fractions are actually equal to each other. This does form a ratio. Okay? So good. I'm going to write yes down there. So when it says tell whether they form a proportion, set them equal to each other, cross multiply and see if you get the same number. If you do, then they're a proportion. Good. Let's look at this one. I'm going to say 12 over 20 equals 32 over 50. Question mark. Okay? That means that 20 times 32 needs to equal 50 times 12. All right? Well, Quaso, you tell me what 20 times 32 is, because I already know that 50 times 12 is 600. What? This is 640? Well done, Quaso. This is not true, is it? 640 does not equal 600, so no, this doesn't form a proportion. Because when I cross multiply, I didn't get the same number. All right. Excellent job, gentlemen. Let's look at the next example.